how to find deleted friends in Discord. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to find deleted friends on Discord. So if you ever have accidentally deleted or knowingly deleted some friends, then here you might want to find them back. So what you need to do is just come over to this chat section right at the top left corner. So once you're inside here, you can see the button, the add friends. So just tap on this and you can see there's the option to add by username. So first thing what you need to do is just make sure you remember them. Even though you have deleted them, you just need to make sure you have remembered their username correctly. So if you have remembered their username correctly, then this will be popping up right over here when you try to send friend request, and then only you will be able to send a friend request just like that. So that is actually how you can find deleted friends on Discord. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.